country, India. And here is relief. That means landforms. First, we learn the India, the name, how it was derived. The India name is derived from the people who lived in the Indus Valley. They are Indo-European. Britishers are called this land as India in the name of Indo-European. And then another name also is there here. What is another name means? Hindustan. Arabs are called this land as a Hindustan. And also it is called as a Bharat, Bharata, Bharatavarsha. Bharatavarsha, in the name of Bharata it is called. And then what is there is a relief. So relief means what is landforms. And landforms, physical features, relief features. That means mountains, plateaus, plains like this. Like in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the India relief features. Before we are going to learn, why we need to know about that relief features. The relief features are influences the life of the people. For example, mountains. Where is the mountains are there? The life of the people is different. Plateaus are there. The life of the people is different. Plains are there. The life of the people is different. So that is why we should be learn about this is the relief features. Relief features are influences the life of the people and also the climate of the country, population, size of the population, expansion of the population, distribution of the population, as well as climate influences. Next, which is vegetations, forests, is also depends upon relief features. That is why in the coming chapters, so we are going to learn about this is all the influence of the relief features over the various concepts. Means water resources, climate, population, distribution of the population. Then first of all, India location. So where it is located? So location of India. You see children here in the globe, the location of India in the north hemisphere. See north hemisphere, south hemisphere. North hemisphere means the area is lies between the 0 degrees equator to the 90 degrees of north. 90 degrees of north pole. This is a north hemisphere, and so this is a south hemisphere, southern hemisphere, 90 degrees of south latitude. Their points, like here is on the globe, there are lines are there. Here is latitudes, longitudes. Latitudes are horizontal lines. Longitudes are the vertical lines. So now according to this is the latitudes and longitudes, where it is located. 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitudes. See what are the latitudes are there here is north of equator. They are all what is the north latitudes. What are the latitudes are there to the south of the equator? They are all south latitudes, southern hemisphere. So now 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitude. So which is the south part of the India is there? It is very close to the equator. South part of India is very close to the equator. So now 8 degrees 4 minutes to 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. It is India is located. 8, 10, 12, 20, 23, 30, 35, 37 like. And then longitudes. Here is north hemisphere it is located. According to the longitudes, it is located in the eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere means which is the zero meridian, that means the Greenwich meridian or the prime meridian. So between the prime meridian to east 180 degrees called eastern hemisphere. So now it is located in the eastern hemisphere according to the longitudes. Here 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude it is located. And you see here is 68 degrees 7 minutes. It is touches the Gujarat state. And here is 97 degrees 25 minutes. It is touches the east part of the India, Arunachal Pradesh. You know, children, here is Arunachal Pradesh. The name is also derived. Aruna means what is the sun. According to that, the name is given to the state of Arunachal Pradesh. So, like here is the line, the longitude touches the Arunachal Pradesh, that is 97 degrees 25 minutes east. So, this is the location of India. Longitudinal location, latitudinal location. And here, what is the time zones? In the world, there is a 24 time zones are there. That is why we call what is a 25 hours. So 24 hours time zones are there. 24 hours. That means which is the total 360 degrees of longitudes divided into 24 time zones. That means each time zone what is 15 degrees longitudinal distance. 15 degrees longitudinal distance. So you see longitudinal distance of east and west almost 30 degrees is there here. Y means which is the 97 minus 68 degrees, almost 30 degrees of longitudinal distance is there. That means in our country there are how many time zones are there? Means 2 time zones are there, 2 hours time zones are there. So east part of India first sun rises, at the same time west part of India, that means Dwarka in Gujarat, 2 hours late the sun is rising. 2 hours late sun is rising. That means when the sun is rising in the east part, for them there is a morning, early morning, 6 o'clock. But here is in the Gujarat, it is not a 6 o'clock. Why means sun is not rising? 2 hours late, after 2 hours late the sun is rises in the Gujarat state. That means locally for these people, for this state 6 a.m. But at the same time Gujarat state is not experiences the 6 a.m. So means, why means here is 30 degrees of longitudinal distance is there between the east and west. So meanwhile, so which is the 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude is there here is passes through the near the what is Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. That is the 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude is taken as a standard meridian of India. You know, so standard world time based on the 0 degrees longitude, otherwise we call what is a Greenwich meridian or prime meridian. Indian Standard Time is decided based on the 82 degrees 30 minutes exactly, which is passes through the middle of India near Allahabad. Even in Andhra Pradesh, it is passes near the Kakinada. Near the Kakinada. So this is the longitude is taken as a standard meridian to avoid the time confusion in the different parts, different corners of India. So this is IST, Indian Standard Time. A standard time is there, then we can operate the various systems at the same time. No confusion, mostly in the railways or in the other means of communications. This is the time is very, very important. So thus there is a time differences are avoided based on this is the IST, Indian Standard Time. To avoid the confusion, 82 degrees 30 minutes exactly passes. See, here is 68 7 degrees 7 minutes east longitude. After 68, 70, 80, 85, 82, like here is 97. So thus here is totally the India is north to south 30 degrees. That means here is 8 degrees 4 minutes, 37 degrees 6 minutes, 37 degrees minus 8 degrees, almost 30 degrees. So 30 degrees of latitudinal expansion is there, 30 degrees of longitudinal expansion is there. So thus the location of India and the time zones and which is the global time is there, here is Greenwich meridian or zero longitude, prime meridian, and also we studied about that 8 degrees 30 minutes of east longitude. And for example, here is in the zero longitude, the time is 10:30 is there, 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. Where is zero longitude? Where is the zero longitude means it is passes through the Greenwich, London, England, and in the England it is the time is 10:30 a.m. That means what is the time in India? We can calculate very easily. So 0 to 82 degrees 30 minutes. You know, sunrises across 1 degree interval of longitudinal distance to be taken place 4 minutes. That means it is 82 and half into 4. So means what is almost what is exactly what is 330 minutes are there here is. 330 minutes is divided by the 60. Then what is 5 hours? 300, 5 into 60, 300, and then the remaining is what is 30 minutes. That means what is 5 hours 30 minutes. A time difference is there between the London time, Greenwich time, Indian Standard Time. So Indian Standard Time is ahead than the Greenwich time. Ahead than the Greenwich time. Here, London time is what is 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. Then what we should be do here is, so you have to add the what is 5.5 hours here is 5.5 hours. That means in the London, Greenwich meridian, prime meridian in England 10:30. Now you should be add this is a 5:30. Then what will be comes here is then, so what is the 1 hour? It is 6, and then what is 16? So 16 it is 24 hours format. 24 hours format we can make in the 12 hours format. Then it is 16 means what is 4 p.m. 4 p.m. That means 4 hours evening, p.m. It is time in India. When it is time is given Greenwich Meridian time or London time. At the same time, Indian time is given. So you can subtract the 500 hours. For example, here is in India. So 10:30 is there. Here is 10:30 a.m. is there. Here is in India. Now you have to subtract the 500 hours. So that means here is a 0 will come, and here 10 minus 5. What is 5? Then 5 a.m. So this is the time difference is there between the Greenwich Meridian and Indian Standard Time. How many hours? 5.5 hours. So totally what we have learned here is, so India, how is the name is derived? Relief features, that means landforms. Next, what is the location? Latitudinal and longitudinal location, where it is located in the northern hemisphere, and there are so time zones across the world. 24 time zones are there. In our country, 2 time zones are there. To avoid this 2 time zones, we have to be taken 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude, and global time is based on the 0 longitude, which is passes through the England, London, and Greenwich Meridian it is called, otherwise called what is the prime meridian, and Indian Standard Time. Why? Because it decided to avoid the local time confusion. So it is to maintain the same time for entire nation. So this is IST is decided. So that's how this is.